Good morning, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. This is the very first time that I've used my GoPro to go live, and I thought we could do it and I could show you how I plant my cabbages and mustards. Now, these are seedlings that I started inside. These are the early Jersey Wakefield cabbages, and these are my mustards. So yesterday we went ahead and amended the bed. We put a lot of organic matter in it, some compost, some homemade compost, some commercial compost, some fertilizer, some bone meal and blood meal, and we mixed everything together. We removed two okra plants that were here, and we replanted our red cabbages over here. So we're going to start out with the early Wakefield, and we're going to plant 5 or 6 of these in this row here, and then we're going to plant mustards in the middle. Now, when I start my seeds, my seedlings, I go ahead and dig a hole, go down to the width of my hand, like such, and we put in fertilizer. In this case, we have a mixture of blood and bone meal along with a general purpose tomato fertilizer. We drop some of that down in the hole, mix it in, and we're going to pop one of these seedlings out. Now, they're not very big as far as size, but I'm looking at the root, and the roots are ready to go. So we're going to go ahead and plant. And there you go. Looks pretty good. So we're going to drop it in. Backfill. Just like that, we have one planted. Now, the emitters on my drip line here are every 6 inches. So we're going to follow that when we plant, and we're going to plant another one here. Drop fertilizer in. Drop this down into the hole. So we have 5 in now, and got 3 more to go. And our last one here. And just like that, we have our early Wakefield cabbages planted. Now I'm going to go ahead and put the label here for now. And we're going to go and do the mustards, and then we'll come back and put mulch down. Now, these containers, seed planting containers, I got from Vigo, and it's my first time using them, and I really like them. I like how the roots are pruned and they wrap around, but it makes it a lot easier to get them out without everything falling apart. So we're going to base our planting on this side for the mustards, and it's the same thing that we did with the cabbages. Drop down, fertilize, skip 6 inches, dig hole, fertilize, one, 2, 3, backfill these again. Right here, here, and here. Press down. I think I have enough room to do one more, so we're going to do one more here as well. Okay, and just like that, we have 7 planted. I have one more here that I will probably plant somewhere else. I'm going to go ahead and put the label here. And now we're going to go ahead and put our mulch in and then turn the drip system on. I have some mulch with me here. I'm not sure if it's going to be enough. If not, I'll just go to the greenhouse and the greenhouse and get another bag. These are pine shavings that I got from my local tractor supply. They were on sale. And we're just going to put a layer of, of them around the plants. It will help protect them, keep the soil from drying out, and also help with soil diseases if there are any. So instead of lugging the big 40-pound bag out, I just put some back in this one and makes it a lot easier. Okay, so we now have everything planted. I still have some room over here to plant something else, and I probably will later on today sometime. I'm going to go ahead and turn the drip system on, and I've already put the liquid fertilizer in the canister, so it will run through and these plants will get fed also. We'll be right back. So the drip system is on. We put AgroThrive general purpose fertilizer into the water. It's mixed and running through, and everything's looking nice and good. Now, I plan on doing maybe 1 or 2 lives per month moving forward. If you guys have any suggestions as far as what to do or anything like that, or what I should do them on rather, let me know, and I'll be more than willing to do it. I'm happy that we have everything planted. I have quite a lot more plants inside the house that will be planted coming up. We have garlic, we have more cabbages, we have more greens, and we have onions as well. Now, onions are going to be in the circular bed that's over there. Garlic is going to be right there. My burgundy okra and the squash that is in this bed will be coming out, as well as the tomatoes over there. They're not ready yet. And I might put something in this bed here. I'm not really sure. But I hope you enjoyed live. It's been a long time since I've actually done one. If you enjoyed it, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and I will reply. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of stuff by myself, but I cannot grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell all so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Chances are, if you like my content, your friends and family will also, so it's okay to share. And until the next time, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow.